We're going to learn how to make a video montage using the Photos app on an iPhone 6. We're going to use the photos that we want. First thing we need to do is go into the Photos app, and you're going to go to your camera roll, or wherever your pictures are, and you're going to select the photos you want. So I'm going to click Select in the top right, and I'm going to select a few pictures. My grandmother recently turned 100, and we all gathered in Rhode Island, so this seems like a good set of photos to use for this example. So I'm going to select pictures, and I even have a video in here from that event. So now that I've selected what I want to be in my video, I'm going to click the Add To that's in the bottom center, and I'm going to click New Album, and I'm going to name the album Celebrating 100 Years. Whatever you name the album will be used as the video title, so keep that in mind when you name your album. So I'm going to hit back to albums, see if I can see my new album, and there it is. Open this album by tapping on it, and if you click the arrow that's to the right of the date, you'll automatically see at the top here, Apple's giving you a video, right? You see a little play icon in the bottom right. So if you click that, it'll open it up and actually start playing it for you.
But seriously, we're here to honor Donnie.
If you want to change any aspect of this video, you can. When it gets back to this screen, click three-line icon in the bottom. It's going to ask you to add this to memories. Click OK. And here you can change the title, the font, the music, the duration. And you can also click on Photos and Videos and go in and choose and make sure that all the photos you want are in there. Go ahead and hit Done. And you can send this video using the share icon in the bottom left. And then you can send it like any other photo. You can airdrop it via text message, with an email, put it to Facebook, whatever. That's how you make a video using photos you want with iPhoto. At the end of this video is a finished product if you care to see it. Thanks for watching today's AP Tech Tip.
But seriously, we're here to honor Donnie and to recognize